Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2023. Of course, GoDaddy Websites Builder is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning websites with ease. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or freelancer, GoDaddy Websites Builder is a fantastic choice for building your online presence. In this tutorial, of course, I'll guide you through the process of getting started with GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2023, so let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Of course, the first step in this tutorial is to sign up for GoDaddy account. Of course, if you don't have one, simply go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser you could possibly have. Once you open your browser as an example, simply go to this URL section and type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. For you, of course, you'll have to log in into your account. You'll be taken, of course, to the main screen on home screen. Make sure to log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, just go and create your account. Click on sign up and follow the prompt to create your account. And of course, make sure to get used to this GoDaddy by getting familiar with the website. And once you're logged in into your account or you created your account, you'll find yourself in this home or a dashboard kind of. So simply click on create my website. And as you can see, you'll have three options. You'll have this will build for you site affordably, design and customize, or announce your site's coming soon, or starts for free. Of course, we would like just to start for free. So simply click on this recommended option or the first option. That will take you directly from here. As you can see, keep working on the websites right here or start a new site. For me, I'm just going to click on start a new site. That was just a site I was trying on. So here I'll have to choose a category. So for you, choose whatever category you want: retail, personal website, art and design, consulting, or you can simply type your own from here. As you can see, so simply if you have an online store as an example, a furniture store, candle store, discount store, collectible store, outlet store, shoe store, adult, or so choose whatever suits you here. And here you'll have to give a name to your site. So what should we call your site as an example? So simply, I'm just going to choose a name here as an example. I'm just going to name it as an example, shoe or shop test, or let's just do a test shop. It's going to be better and click on next. Once we choose the name, of course, we'll have to wait a bit until the page load because we'll be taken directly to the editor or website editor of GoDaddy. Of course, let's just take a tour. As you can see, welcome to test shop. In this tour, you'll get familiar. As we said, we will have to get familiar. So make sure to take a tour because it will take just 13 seconds. It should not take a lot of time. So once you click, of course, on take a tour, you will have directly the option to get familiar with this. As you can see, color and design, you'll be able to do that from here. Click on next. Once you do so, as you can see here, you'll be able to add sections if you click on this plus option and click on next. Here you'll be able to add pages if you want and customize it. And of course, we suggest and add in a fact or frequently asked question page. Of course, if you want to add it, make sure to click on add. And if you don't want to, you can simply click on skip down below. Of course, this frequently asked questions page will help you a lot on your website, so make sure to add it. Why not? It's pretty useful. Of course, once you add it, of course, you'll find it right here, and from here you will be able to customize the design and layout. And as you can see from here, you can find or edit the fact question or frequently asked questions. From here, you'll be able to publish your sites, and of course, you'll be able to view plans if you want to check the pricing as an example if you want to. So here, as you can see, we will have two pages: home and frequently asked questions. Of course, we can add another page as an example. So click on new page, click on blank as an example, click on create page. And here we'll have to give it a title. So the title, I'm just going to put here a test as an example. And let's just type test. Of course, here we have show in navigation, show in footer or in a private space. So make sure to enable whatever option you want to. You can even delete page. So for me, I'm just going to create it. And as you can see, this is going to be an empty page. Of course, we'll be able to add sections by simply clicking on add section. right here, and of course we'll be able to add whatever section we want. We can even search this search option to choose whatever page or section that you would like to add. They have a lot, especially if you have a premium option, you will have a lot of things to choose from. So let's just choose this as an example. We'll be able to edit whatever on this section or on this page, or we'll be able even to add more than one page. And as I said, from here you'll be able to customize the design and layout for yourself. So after selecting, of course, a template, it's time to customize the design and layout for your website or of your websites on GoDaddy Websites Builder. Of course, GoDaddy offers a simple and intuitive drag and drop interface, allowing you to modify elements on each page, adjust the text, image, colors if you want. You can even add the title or change the title. Um, of course, you can adjust everything with your brand or personal preferences, and you can even take advantage over the build and design option to create a visually appealing and unique website. And of course, you'll be able to add pages and navigation, because a well-structured website required multiple pages and easy navigation. And of course, with GoDaddy Website Builder, you'll be able to do so. You'll be able to add pages as I showed you before, and customize their layout and create a navigation menu that allows visitors to navigate through the website seamlessly. And of course, you can consider including essential pages such as home, about, services, and contacts to provide a comprehensive user experience. And simply, and then you can enhance with features and functionality. So to make your website more interactive and functional, GoDaddy Websites Builder offers a lot of web options. As you can see, you'll be able to add a text as an example, or edit the text from here. If you go to settings, you'll be able to see here a lot of settings if you want to. And let's just even view plans as an example. So here, as you can see, let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, they have 4 plans: basic, premium, commerce, and commerce plus. Or every one of their plans comes with the custom domain name, as you can see. And of course, if you pay more, you'll get even more features. So make sure to read all the features and choose whatever plan suits you. Now, of course, as you can see, we'll be able to edit whatever else we want. So customize everything, enhance, as I said, with features and functionality. You'll be able to explore the option and to incorporate elements such as contact forms, image galleries, social media integration, e-commerce capabilities, and a lot of other stuffs on this video. As you can see, we'll be able even to edit those sections if you want. We'll be able even to add more. We'll be able to add or to do a lot of stuff. So of course, you can customize these features to suit your specific needs and enhance the user experience on your website. You can even preview your site by simply clicking on preview at the top right corner. And as you can see, you can preview it for desktop and even mobile. You can click on everything to check if everything is working well. As you can see, let's just test the home screen, the frequently asked page, and even the test page as an example, or just go to home again. And of course, we'll be able to edit everything. So here on the frequently asked questions, we'll have even this test or home screen. We'll be able to see everything. Of course, you can even publish everything if you want, but publishing, you will need a custom or a domain name that is provided by GoDaddy if you get a plan for yourself, or you can simply go and get your own from another website if you don't want to get it from GoDaddy. So if you reach this point, congratulations, you've successfully started using GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2023. Of course, in this tutorial, we've covered the basics of signing up and a lot of other steps in this video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more websites related content. Thanks for watching, and happy websites building with GoDaddy Websites Builder, and I'll see you in the next video.